Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about set collection class. Set class store the element inside the collection in sorting order. Set collection class does not allow the duplicate element. Syntax of set collection class is set data type object name equals to new set data type. This is the syntax of the set collection class. Next point is methods in set collection class. These are the number of methods used in set collection class. First is add all, size, is empty, contains, remove, clear, and equals. Let's see one by one. Go to setup and open your developer console. Okay, after that go to file, new, and create one apex class. Name of apex class, I'm right, set demo. After that, okay, name of class is set demo 1. After that, clear one method public void set method. After that, create set. How to create? Here is the syntax of set collection class. Set data type, I'm right here, string str set. This is the object of the set, new set, and here string. Okay, set is successfully created. After that, here I'm add some value to this set. Here I'm add a, add b. Here I'm simply add a and b to this set. After that, here simply print this set by using system.debug str set is, and print this set. Save this. Go to debug, open anonymous window, and create here object class name set demo 1, object name new set demo 1, name of method is set method. Click execute. Debug only, we can see set contain value a and b. After that, here I am create one list. Str list equals to new list, here string, and here I am pass a and here b. Here I'm pass same value in both list and set, and print this list by using system.debug str list is. Okay, save this and open anonymous window, execute, debug only. Here we can see list contain duplicates value but set is not contain duplicate value. Now next method, here I write again b, and here I pass value b str set dot add all str list. Add all is the method. Here set contain a and b, list contain a and b. Now here I am pass x, here I am pass c, here I am also pass another value is y. Now save this, after that execute. After that click here debug only. Now set contain a, c, x and y. In this way we can add elements of list to set. After that next method is clear. Str set dot clear method, and I'm simply remove this list. Save this, and here I'm simply print this same str list. Save this and execute. Click here debug only. Now we can see firstly it prints all the set value here. After that I'm right here clear method, and after that I'm print again set. Now it contain 0 element, all elements are removed from set. After that next method is contains. Dot, here I am write directly in system.debug contains a. This method used to it is simply contains method check this element is available in set or not. So a is available, then it returns the true value. it return true because A is available in set. After that, next next method is contains all, and here I am pass this list, save this, now execute, debug only, it returns false because C is not available in set. That's why it returns false. Next method is empty. We can also write is empty in like in we can also write empty in if statement if set is empty, then it returns true, or we can say set is empty, otherwise else set is not empty. In this way we can also write is empty methods. Simply save this and execute. After that, click here debug only, it return false because set is not empty. After that, another method is size. I'm write size method in system.debug. Save this and execute. We got the size of the set. It returns 3 because set contain a, x and y. After that, next method is remove str set dot remove method. Here I want to remove a element. After that, simply print set. Firstly, it returns all the set a, x and y. After that, I am right here remove method. A is removed. After that, this statement returns x and y. Execute this. Debug only. See here. Firstly, uh, this this statement returns a, x and y set all the elements. After that, I'm right here remove method, and then I'm again print set collection. Now it prints only x and y because a is removed from set. After that, next method is remove all. Here list contain value a and c. And simply here pass this list. Firstly, I am print element of list. Now here I am write remove all method, and here I am again print list of element. Save this and execute the code. Debug only. Here we can see firstly set returns value a, x and y, and after that set return only x and y. A is removed from list. These are the number of methods used in set collection class. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.